From the Oval cricket ground to the grandeur of Highgrove. What do these idyllic images of British life have in common? Well, they're all part of the Duchy of Cornwall. 141,000 acres of land spread over 25 counties. The Duchy's worth an estimated £463 million, and last year turned a profit for the Prince of Wales of almost £12 million. What's less well known is that Prince Charles, through the Duchy, also owns things like this, a distribution depot on an industrial estate. It doesn't sit too well with the Prince's ideals of architecture and the environment. In fact, it looks more like what he might call a carbuncle. But it's all part of an increasingly lucrative property portfolio. As the Prince went about his business today, MPs were starting to pore over his finances, including the question of how much tax he pays. The cost of the Prince's public and private life is all covered by income from the Duchy. He doesn't receive taxpayers' cash from the civil list. He pays income tax voluntarily, but as this expert explained to me, the Prince effectively decides how much tax he's going to pay.
In the year 2004, he had net income from the rentals of about £12 million. After deducting his official expenses and charitable expenses, he actually paid income tax on about £6 million. Most of us wouldn't be able to make that deduction because we don't have a concept of official expenses.
And did those official expenses include covering costs for Camilla Parker Bowles, his partner, a tricky area the inquiry may delve into? Even the trees in this Duchy wood in Cornwall could prove controversial. Last year, the Prince claimed he owned the trees personally and sold them back to the Duchy for more than £2 million. The MPs will be asking whether that's a creative accounting step too far.